Hi, Sawadika. I'd like to show you how to make green curry chicken. And I would like to show you what are the items that I have on the island desk here. So let me show it to you. The main ingredient would be green curry paste, coconut milk, fish, fish sauce, red bell pepper, any vegetable you like. Today I would like to use the eggplant, lime leaves, a little bit of oil, and that coconut I'm getting ready to cook. Basil leaves, that's an eggplant and cut it up. Bell, red bell pepper. This is hot red chili Thai pepper, very hot. Green curry paste that I put in a little bowl, about 2 tablespoons. The more you use, the more it get hotter. That lime leaves, I tear it up in little pieces, and that's the fish sauce and sugar. Now we're getting ready to cook. Put a little oil in the pan, and then you put green curry paste on the high heat, or a little bit little bit of a high heat, and you stir this until press it flat. Add a little bit of coconut milk, a little bit at a time. Keep stirring up so it mixes together well. Keep stirring that up. You can come closer if you can get to the pictures of the how we press the curry paste, mix it with coconut. Keep doing it, let it simmer a little bit. If you don't stir it, it will burn. So you have to keep constantly stir it. It will turn darker green, darker green. Keep adding coconut milk. Bring it to the boil. Keep adding more coconut milk. Stir it up. If you really, if you like the liquid to be with green, you could may add green color, green color into it. I'm gonna mix with water. I like to use 1 cup of water from the can of coconut milk that I use. Add to it. Wait until we come to boil. I also have 3 chicken breast that cut up in pieces. When the coconut milk and curry paste boil up and cook a little more, I will add the chicken into it. The chicken is ready to go in, so you have to be careful, it won't splash on you. Add some fish sauce, about tablespoon. You can taste it later after you're done cooking. If you like more of salt, taste like to add more, but I'll start out with 2 tablespoons. Stir a little bit, let it boil up so the chicken can get cooked. Up a little bit more once in a while. Watch and see how chicken get cooked. Right now it's not look like it's cooked yet, so I'm gonna leave it longer. But I'm gonna go ahead and add lime leaves. This will help the taste better and green color. You want to add all these ingredients into the cooking pot of hot coconut curry paste right now. You have to make sure chicken is finished cooking, done. So I'm gonna test the piece of the chicken here, cutting it, and to see if you see any pink after you cut on how it look like it's done to me. So I'm gonna go ahead add the rest of the ingredient. I'm gonna also add sugar, stir it, eggplant. You can also use mixed vegetable, Thai eggplant, green bean, the frozen kind. Peas also go good with that too. But this time I will try to make it with this eggplant to add color purple in it. Stir the eggplant. Wait until it cooks a little bit before we add the basil leaf and red green pepper here. Those are too easily get cooked. They're very fragile, so we don't want to overcook them. So we're going to wait a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and add red bell pepper. A handful of basil leaf. Getting pretty, looking pretty. Many colors. If you add peas in this, peas will not take long at all. So you don't want to wait too long to cook all that overcooked, the peas and all the vegetables. So you can turn this on medium low. Wait until they're all cooked together and you're almost finished. Wait, let's simmer together a little bit. I think it's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on low. I'm going to put it on the bowl so it make it look pretty to serve. I'll go ahead put some in the bowl here so you can see how pretty it is. And tastes pretty good too. You can add sugar into it more if you like sweeter, or you can add fish sauce more into it if you want a little bit salty. I like to serve this with steamed rice. It tastes good. So I'm going to put it on low. If you have company, you can turn it off too, to go sit in the other room or dining room table. And then I'll go ahead and turn it off. Add a couple more fresh leaves, small pieces here to the dish to decorate it so it can look pretty. Anywhere you like. This is Thai chili red pepper. I'm gonna go ahead make it look pretty. Recommend it not to eat directly if you're not used to hot spicy food. It's pretty hot, so you can put anywhere you like. I'll go ahead and get the steamed rice. It just got done cooking. There you go. Now you can have delicious dinner. How do you like that? Sawadee ka. ลาก่อน